This program is proudly sponsored by
CJ Multimedia,
Angel Cola,
King of Antique,
Miss Aquaba.
Medo for me mo Aquaba beam, and then so a da for frustration kokra. I mo Aquaba edimoba experiences in life with Jimedi so. Na sa mi Jimedi say, na me tsenemu say, na sa mi nya ba. Me ka experiences in life. Wa wo hwe me, wa wo fi. Just so mama ne hunu nti mani ada ho. Medofo e dia mane e na wo mu a eni wani ada ho. Experiences in life. Ye to nsafre wona wako so arepo amane nyina mu. Ye de won atena se atwetwe nkomo. Na ye wi a ya san ya to nsa afre counselors etitirifor. A doctors, a lawyers, any asofo nyina. Abrabom komodie obia e wo bi. Wa wo hwe me me ton safro say be ka me ho ye ntwetwe nkom wate ai oni ye me share with life experience sane be ya ye wo tifi a wo hwe ye ono so be su bibi afri ya me di dwuma di mu chia me dia eye na ya sba ka fe ware azie abofo a asaya sen e bia me ka kire se nye Angel Cola eye Angel Cola na wi a eye Angel Orange na mria ensan Angel Peach nso ho Angel Mango nso ho me say natural drinker je say ya papa Dr. Kwekoti akofa aba a obi age atum abrochirefo nyina age atum me say na okwa abrochire ba bia party o ayi o ede na ekoso Angel Cola eye natural drink wanwaso a ede abadwa manso a onumunya esitri yare wonum nkonkofa diabetes ne yare boni bia amfamrew ai enkola nyina agiatum na kola bi ekusku a na wo maame ana se se wo papa amfa Angel Cola titiri ye Angel Peach any orange ne kola ne pepe de merofo oye den be bia wo bia etnasio emfa wo nsa enhye wo demini fam se wo nya adwuma anye adwuma wo ho enu ntina yankasa ye papa Dr. Kwekoti ai paboa papa nyame nhira wo ate doctor be bia wo bia for Angel Cola and Angel Peach just a natural drink at their brain say emeboy me nyina ye nya adwuma ne binye baby will be a we 50 Ghana cedis 30 Ghana cedis 40 Ghana cedis it's me to cutting baako paper wise blog be 2 cedis bi egu so na che say enkonko a enyu Angel Cola ariazie number no 0244832286 0244832286 eba no studio dia say equipment dia e CJ Multimedia just say bedofo se basa opese oye production ahoro bia opese otwa series movie talk show bibi bia opese oye no pomoden a netitu America be hwehwe CJ Multimedia just say CJ Multimedia ama yati edene kwaku bi branch for classroom kokora e wo Kumasi eno nti waboa yen yakopon hye obi bia a obefre CJ Multimedia ma ba beje ne ma nguso ye promotion no CJ Multimedia e wo La Paz a branch sport in Chenwa Ashanti Home Touch bomodia na contact CJ Multimedia e wo 0545059319 0545059319 I wa numbers no sign etwagu e wo screen anim therefore atare e hye kai say eye ladies in collection we say boutique ma aprima for ma just celebrities just say na wonim ladies in collection na Abna Payola wa superstar wa de nyina ho no ye ne shopping nyina enye ladies in collection na me amini aba PCSta me say oko UK just an entire shey nyina ladies in collection just abrotre baby obeko bia ladies in collection just a Ghana baby ladies in collection bit of what we heading baby bia oko bi no an say obetre no occasion oko fa ne number no na etwegu e wo screen anim ladies in collection e wo dance man bomodia na contact wo therefore enwi e hye mi cute cat parlor Cute Cat Parlor ewa Beka Junction baby bia ukobia se banu iri papa ne sika ho aye den Ghana ye hye enti enko na obi mfa so kwa ankonko dane wa chenchene me say ko Cute Cat Parlor be ma wi papa na namfo nyina be bom akwa wo ho emma ne nuanum nyina ba abeche ahyebi eye Cute Cat Parlor therefore se bedua ne papa so a ye did natural spices na aye na wundi nkonya yare bia de a eye Pardon Foods. Pardon Food say baby bia obi so your wedding engagement party and na bia wo ko bia just say as a feel is a wow ben wedding and wo feel no eh Pardon Foods one more e wo kwashima junction ne so ho and one more one numbers and a gu e wo screen nanim no na say be goodie dia say goodie papa padia eh the boy fashion jewelries say baby bia obi a udu akra rolling circle na chi ho no mo a bo modern a ye tuton me ntena ho no bi mfa your friend is saying fake bi amedane me yi it is a promise ring me papa engagement ring me papa wedding na payola ring session nyina just say wedding rings wutu say just say gold and kasa hope the boy fashion jewelry spare and I will be nyan baby a one numbers na gu e wo screen ni me dofo e ba da mu niema se enkunya se furniture dia king of antique furniture. But of baby I will be a king of antique furniture say or turn safra wati. Baby a odi could be an unya tom quadia delivery no a free one juice because of na yasinti promotion no ego so e koso den. But of and ne a dafo frustration kokrebi. And never tana CD actually say abrabomu experience no yes sign Eddie a barber so send ye be ya wa wo me ubenya bi atum hofo ubenya bi ahye ohun kran ubesua ne ma bebre afiri etire enya bofre ena ya pai mu ahwe etide yesua ne de ye ka nyina no bisro fatu kotodwemu bitwa me ho aba me ba ene I have a big surprise at the mount baby see ya.
Ready for something refreshing and great tasting for your kids' enjoyment?
Angel Cola.
For your graduation enjoyment?
Angel Cola.
Beach hangout?
Angel Cola.
For all your refreshing moments?
Angel Cola.
For your parties, get-togethers, events, and celebrations, enjoy a chilled bottle of Angel Cola. Radio Grandma, today is your day. Over to you.
Thank you.
Enjoyment Cola.
Angel Cola.
The Enjoyment Cola. Enjoy all your moments and fun time with Angel Cola. This advert is FDA approved.
Live life we go full my belly.
CJ, Ejebo, Ejenyaba, CJ Multimedia, Ababa Drew, Sake from Kumasi, Ataje and Neatidene.
CJ Multimedia, Yejumako, Kessia Baby PM, Wagana Ha, a funny paku one day or Nehwakade, Sasa pay stage, light, screen, sound, and now Empo video production, ye nina.
And not to say yum to Jimmy, say ye, say any pardon, Shiamu, CMB live streaming, and mount anyone she say, Nina, CJ Multimedia say, ya wo ma.
Ube hu ya wo boshen ye ne masalachi junction me din hye ni mu. Freyen 050-196-7227 ana 024-608-1616.
CJ Multimedia, ye ni masters no.
Too many worries.
Akwaba Ghana ni baba ahofofo awo frakete woni amamre esanso ni abakwasem yamamo nyina akwabo.
This is what you're missing if you're not following the Miss Akwaba Season 2 reality show journey. This 13-week culture and tourism TV reality show is becoming hotter and highly competitive every week. Who wins the ultimate prize of a car, 10,000 Ghana cedis cash. And on top of it all, the enviable crown as Miss Aquaba 23. Watch the live broadcast of Miss Aquaba Season 2 every Sunday at 8 p.m. on GH1 TV and CJTV channel. To vote for your favorite contestant, please dial *365*300# and enter the name of the contestant. You can also log on to cjtv.com.gh and vote. Miss Aquaba Season 2 is brought to you by the kind courtesy of CJ Multimedia and GH1 TV. And it's supported by Doddy World, Ghana's unique aquatourism destination, Jingle Herbal Drink, Akosobo Textiles Limited, and Joe's Place Event Center and Guest House located at West Hill City, New Botiano, Accra. It's also supported by
Miss Aquaba.
Better for me more Aquaba beam Edimoba experiences in life. So mama ni hononsi many adaho. Therefore, I told you, me catch real. Said you were surprised for fair Phoebe Edimount and the Ibisrianiama. When he bet you know, or better Udon Cradida. So, it's a ne, yes, same ye cock. Miaka Sankasa, Miniaba, my dear Nina, just say, a real singing dofo. Baku pet. What time I ye? I. Were you superstar? Just what you call for influencers. You get it? You call her. You know, couldn't come on. Then you're non quao. Me papa. It's ye Camboma and ye na Abna Paella versus Anasa Plus Papa Bright, Pastor Bright, or D4 Bright, and ne ye como. Papa, Patrona, what to say?
What does?
Bia kama. So for my hoye. Yes, ye. And you didn't come. Superstar! Oh my goodness. I was like, oh, the Bena mi Abna Payola, the Bena mi Abna Payola. I can't wait to see Abna Payola because I really love it so much. And then finally, me ho abna payola so when yaji abna na ho to say nyamiadom apa me say me so my way koka kire matam fo no say me shadum biase papa oni moto ana what pa me say me so my way koka kire matam fo no so what should show our moon now? As a baby, I will yes, Ronco. As a baby, I will yes, sono. As a baby, I will yes, fresh. A yard dumb. You are blessed. What's it? Be I a boko. Hosby, we. My dear Nina, Hosby, Yakopon Shra, what's it? When I was say, Miamia Babna Payola and Mammy, I mean Shramo, some man of quine, no bar me show you so. Program me a life experience. It was up from our bar. Only a beshe wa brabum, and I mean the SC wa brabum, life experience across any bear, the wash show no, and which may be a free. It be crana. Once some will become it, you see, you will be. So what I see, hand to the kind of over my own, baby, a free, be a cool school, be quite out fast or be Pia cra. So only a call name, because we want to say Abna Payola, but we baby you free. But Nippani or big fan. You can't Abna Payola. Now, would the Ankasa so the same?
Abna Payola, me di Ankasa, and the Abna Rose.
Oh, okay.
Me for Santi Achimago. I'm much the deco.
Hey! And you're never too often, you can offer baby. I will be yet shall ye here with studio had in the Yafil. Best try ye patrol. I and another turn then you bear pan your depa.
Okay, and you will name my bravo airport. Okay,
so what me dear here no.
Or say before Santi Achimago.
Oh,
Ohienti. But took where I could see Kumase.
Oh.
Matra Tafo.
Oh,
Matra my ponte. But I'm your voice in your devil. Aguna. But Trump Jamha say, oh,
Mamponte, me dando, me quanko, you know what I mean? Oh, but 10 years, I Meko. Nayas, me call Germany, I Yamabagane. Abra, yes, also.
Okay. Agogo e hwa na me ko school.
Okay.
E hwa na binyi ye.
Okay.
Na edrume bi me be free agogo ba aka.
Okay.
But na me ba aka na me ba na me ko na me nte ha.
Okay.
Time bia me be di 1 month because that time I think na me pese me bo me ho modern say me sha obra na se. Enti me started ba aka 2016.
Oh, okay.
Me ba na me ko. But time me yes me betina aka no 2018.
Oh, okay.
That time COVID time no.
Oh, okay.
COVID by
by 2020. Is it 20? I think 2020. No. Yeah. 20? Because me worry 2019.
Oh, okay.
It is 2020, yeah.
And a COVID by. Oh, okay. And I think some me buy before.
And maybe about 2019 more no 2018. Okay.
And see aka me started say me betina hana me ankasa no efie ni bisa.
Okay.
See etame so me bomb me home modern kaka because me mama mbamba na kwa me na me ye penny.
Okay.
See me imagine say ye krom ho ne de ho no enhye da mboa me santi no. Ba me bra aka na me
bra okay.
Aka. See me ba aka me betina madam Fobi enchen.
Okay.
Tina mete domi.
Okay.
Me starte abetina ka domi na mete.
Okay.
Na me betina de nchen no na enye easy de. Na enye easy. Nti 2018 mu ho 2019 mu ho no. Me hwe situation the way any ma koso e wo fie. Na obi amaba aka sa me bepe obra.
Bobra.
Abona me hwe the way madam Fuidi yemi ya. Yes, a move by thing. I said, Miss Uncle back. Because easy. Oh, easy. You can't be Abraham, my break a camp. Still not probably good. Maybe I'm saying, me. Sure. Yammy Bay. And see, me better now, Madame for the channel. Satan, I mean, you may be. Okay. It's one and a quack ever. Okay. And I mean, my car so sad. Me, you'll be out who may. Oh, me because me yakra bone me nye but yeah, but we me muno me yeku pa je se wo ben me ansa enti me betina madam for nche na me ni adwuma bi a me ye ene ne so se wan ko school wo Ghana ha no ma na wan pensa no adwuma bi anya obra no wo hwe ye nko ye emma enti me ba ka de so no na me ni nsa no adwuma bi ana se Mini certificate bi ameka sekita me amede kopa adwuma aye enti me tete hono ma me hwe de ekọ no so a aka adwuma so enya easy yeah so ma try say me be die me pe bibi na de akofie and the way ni me ko ya adwuma mi amenya bi nye na me tige yisui me ne girl no eto no fine nipa de wo free baby do abeti no bi nchen tete de wo do ma me kwa na say unu hu ni baby nete enye easy me sorry there some me e wo fie bia me ye ibin girl ne kwa na me nete na me si ne niam nyina it's still nice onu ni hu ne say wono ne koba odo ma mi sika say fata aduane ana say okwa onyi sika ma me de bet onu ne be kono na wo nko no na akoye asembi enti bi konya ejuma bi e wodo me ana me ye ne kaka ana me so me ye nipa bi a enipa pemasem de on pemasem bia na ya na me hu ne sese se bi onye papa kaka enti me ni madam for no e wo honom no na me nya ejuma no be start hu nkofo because me ba aka no na me mpie woni mo bia won ko ba bia because me ba me hyedem ana me hu ejuma bia say me kwakoye ena na me mfa mu so sa because na me te agogo no me te me ma me mu nche agogo so de ba nche ne body anya obenya bi edi ye wona wonya wonya se de kra obenya bi edi eti me betena ha na ene ma started bi hu ne se lady na se won pe ma asem sana me hu no ena me ye show so no so tiri mu no pede no ono so no pe ma asem because we ye na hu se no so pe asem se me ka be so me hwe se me ba social media na nsensem bi e besisi na me hu se okay now on pemasa because maybe social media kwa nsem enim kwampo no otimi beka te ma me hu say one me kwota na nchen ni nyina kwampo no na on do me okay eti me start say me pe adwuma aye no me pe abontem bi o ma me ho fe o ma me say no e ready na o so de efe pa edi asem ni nti me start adwuma ne kakaka na me so me nipa bi a se me nhia me boafo kwampo na madamfo ne wa metimi de o chia
we introduce
me boafo no saa de ne ade a ha me wi asem hapa enti me kwe me start adwuma no na se lady no stop na no mama attitude de betime ne den ti wo mu a na me yi kakra to no so yi kakra to se ne ye be no aduane bi na bibisa enti me start adwuma na me head lady na me ne ye adwuma na pe na wo pe mansem na ma me de madam for na me kotena ne nchen wa aka no ekotia no enti later ba bia na me ye adwuma no de hu ne se lady na me ne ye adwuma no asa on pe mansem sometimes so na TikTok abaso kaka bet me na me ese bi jimi kwa na me TikTok star
as you be the whole world is star
na me nim se kwa na TikTok ne tinti no me de me ye video bi na me de me nim se ye positive me ye na me de ma positive normal video enti de me hu ne se lady na me wono ho no esa o mama attitude me ko ho no ma de ya nipa ne hu me na se wona me ye no esa ne ma sesa me so me nipa bia me emotional pa we ma de sisie ya me ne de so ya be su sisie ti me hwe de we a lady no eye me na ana me se daddy ma me ne madam fo no eni nkomo enka nche de se na ni ko ejuma mu hono se lady na start e we de oye e de dukro ne nyame anim me ka asami kire madam fo ye ne ye mienu nyina ye so pa ejuma wura yi se ye di na tem ni nyina no no so de me ka no no aye ne ketewa bi no record de me ka no eti we se wono na di ka akose ma kire lady na baby me ko ye na me prove sa eti me mo di na minim
papa
mama
odi for a serious o
serious pa si koso bibia koso de bia especially those who are closer to you when you very careful ma do beko
eno ntina me ka se papa eti we nya bofre o eno wa pe ma we bofre de so be ehun se ne matuntum le wum
that's it
mama yenko
enti me ensa me free adwuma mo na o mama attitude me mo say me ni lady na tie tite bibi e kwatiti enso no akra dan han no na nye easy enti e ho na ensa me tena ti say ana me so akra na me bai ma fa me ma sem ne bai e de me ma sem kwa ne bai ka ma warentem enti me na say ma me susu hu nkire no because si ha na me tie me ko fa sem bakra na ono na me ne tie na akra me bai no so me nuanum na ye me ma me ni nua ba bia me ka sa wapeja betimi
okay o ma me ma mo ye ni pa do say
yes 6
mo ye 6 una ye last now ye third now it's
me toss 4
una toss 4 okay o ma me abo adwuma inshallah mama baby I will be here what we love you okay
enti ese wono na me susu ho ye dai eche because si enu ka sa wo pam me na se me say committee me akosere me ana because si anu ma be ya akra girl timi sansa me chi
enko
ho me kunu me ka sa me kunu be 5 years okay e sana me shia no wo ye krum
okay
e wa go
okun ye den ni
o ya santini
okay
ofu mi krum
okay
me shia no wo ye krum enti o hu me no wa ampa mi mo o hu me no se me hu ye ne fe na o je me number nti wo mu ana ye kasabet na wo mpa mi
okay
enti me sa bet na akra yi mu no ana me na
5
una me dan na me pedai be 70 cedis because ye krom
okay so Sister Payola 2022 is it 2021 or not 2020
But you say
2021
because we are in 2022
okay so Sister Abena Payola superstar it's 2021 no she dey from Chroma Bobo so wo ba abepe single room 70 Ghana acho nya bi so na
we go me dan we bet di nyina ma the whole year
18 na pacho we nya no yanko
na me say just ade kwa me jakra won kan
for no agent for Abena Payola sadia nkana dan pe one pet je me ka ebu na bem kra free nkan agent for mo commission no montete so
me say me nya dan bi was no say 280
280 cedis for 1 year
a month
for 1 year no oje
no we mo ji 2 years
2 years to calculate here na say fan say 4000 agent so be 400 Ghana cedis
me say that time one agent did that damage me sick at the make or share then be a mere who you know say hey I'm right to come at that
Abra you can see the agent for you as a chair but not so I come out and say we stand by you know you born to fire brain them
agent for na me de mapa mo bu na se me chinchi na mape e dan ni bi nti konya bi ewo baby me so me person hu say me pebra bi aye den abo me ka cha ne say me sika ye say na ma hwedo no so na ho ni a bia wode beka ho nti sika na ekitam na nka dan so de say wan hwe ya wo koi na obi kwaji nti sika na me mabo no na ekitam na me de koma efiura ne say won jiwe na be de yakaba be so ne so
okay ti ebra be na mo ye mo anwe say be ware
okay ye ya twen say be ware 2022
okay
because me hu na onye bata me so menye bata
hu no kra ukun de
na me kwa de na meje because oba de obenya nta obenya be ma bia
wenye djumi bia
na bibi utimi ko no
support no
etimi koba nti me betena ho na no anche
na mo ware aware ruwra mu say na a treat you aware ne say
oh aware de ye
okay
aware ye me ka say isa wo ye yo
obi ne okra na ware nya ode ba betu social media ade na baako
me de nya
okay nti ye wo huntu ruwra mu no say na tie
oh me kan say de me fun de wa wo di me say on pen na ye be kakra me na me nye
o na nye okay
aware ye say wudru age bi na say wo nye bakabasa nko adia no hunu say wonya be ma baako bia na wonya obi a obetimi ni na bobra
okay
aware ye
but me ti o social media so say so wakoji obi kunu na ehun no me aduabo nsem bia nsem fata no kasa na do so pa asa be yes scandal say the just social media na bna payola kwaji obi kunu na bra no so ho asem te say
okay mpatro mi kunu mi hia no oba bia eni ho e no nware so da
hia okunu oni oba bia eni ho onware da ebusia ho ye ba ebusia twan ho aje abo afọ nkrato ye ba sisi ya
If life we go full my belly you
CJ Ajebo Ajanyaba CJ Multimedia ababa draw say from Kumasi Atadwe ene atidene
CJ Multimedia yejumekuo kesi ababe piem wo Ghana ha efa nipakuo one day one ho akade se se wo pe stage light screen sound ana empo video production ye ni nyina
enu ti say ye nwum to gimadie say ye yie say ye nipadom hia mu say embe ye live streaming ema ene ho hihye nyina CJ Multimedia say ye wo ho ma
ubehu ye wo boshen ye ne masalachi janshimi di nhyianimu freyen 050-196-7227 ana 024-608-1616
CJ Multimedia ye ne masters no
too many worries
Ready for something refreshing and great tasting for your kids' enjoyment?
Angel Cola.
For your graduation enjoyment?
Angel Cola.
Beach hangout?
Angel Cola.
For all your refreshing moments?
Angel Cola.
For your parties, get-togethers, events, and celebrations, enjoy a chilled bottle of Angel Cola. Radio Grandma, today is your day. Over to you.
Thank you.
Enjoyment Cola.
Angel Cola.
The Enjoyment Cola. Enjoy all your moments and fun time with Angel Cola. This advert is FDA approved.
Miss Akwaba Ghana ni baba ahofofo a wofra kente woni amamre esanso ni abakwasem yamamo nyina akwabo.
This is what you're missing if you're not following the Miss Akwaba Season 2 reality show journey. This 13-week culture and tourism TV reality show is becoming hotter and highly competitive every week. Who wins the ultimate prize of a car, 10,000 Ghana cedis cash. And on top of it all, the enviable crown as Miss Akwaba 23. Watch the live broadcast of Miss Akwaba Season 2 every Sunday at 8 p.m. on GH1 TV and CJTV channel. To vote for your favorite contestant, please dial *365*300# and enter the name of the contestant. You can also log on to cjtv.com.gh and vote. Miss Akwaba Season 2 is brought to you by the kind courtesy of CJ Multimedia and GH1 TV. And it's supported by Dodi World, Ghana's unique aquatourism destination, Jingle Herbal Drink, Akosobo Textiles Limited, and Jones Place Event Center and Guest House located at West Hill City, New Botiano, Accra. It's also supported by
Miss Akwaba.
Mera from mo Akwaba biem so wanya bre no wabre. Wa hwe me wate. Na me nkoso nhiraw. Wo bre kra wutimi nya de tena se hwe me kra kire se wo dome. Na wo do Angel TV. Yankopon nhiraw. E na se enkoma aboafo a asomase nyina. Se ye zemre twaso. Tibre. Enya fidie ni mfiri hu mane na ho a. Ai, ye twaso. Papa.
Mama.
Me do fo akasa. Superstar. Star ba ko pe wakasa ne nsem o kan nyina from na brabo mfiti ase o fragogo ba ye namfo expert ne ma wa fam sena wo beka afa ho
yo say yes sister o take a good decision
abna payola
I take a good decision
okay
from the chrome agogo
okay
say ono ahwe situation a wo of ebusuanima
ja na o say maame wo papa wo maame ne papa nyina so bom omo bom ho modin o omo nyina so nya akwadwefo na akola keto at that age no etimi ba na adwene so be free omo nchen aba be bobra wo mpan no papa kom mame
o cheki ebusuan background
okay
ehwe say ebusuan emu enye just me dey men sorry
yes
na osan kan si say on the first born now first born so there bibi abesi bia o say yemusa wo
okay
which man ihe bibi o say dey yemusa wo
sure
so no ye na adwene so be dey obi fi kromo no
okay
aba Accra abebo ne bra abia meka say ayonku adamfo yenkofo bia unnim no one very careful adamfo ebe lidu akowom enumguasem wow hwene say waba Accra wabenya adwuma oye
wan fa ne ne anto memma so
masem
na
akra be adwuma
nyame ma ne say nyansen sese ne yetie bia ne meye adwuma
na wenya adamfo
na o kan nsem nyina akere no
na adamfo na nkasa elidi no a interview no na o kan ono so ne nsem ye dey ekere no na o recording
already what they can say what they can adamfo ne they can cause say no amani baby o ye adwuma real it will ye na adamfo ne pese wo mani hu say girl onye na nenu nsem nie it may record na me dia be tro no woku sense some na me kafa no ho no
and bana sister Payola no nim or trust adamfo no she thought say any good friend
yes
or can answer me dey akere no it adamfo no ananko leading no akobe bia say dey yeko anko wo bianka adamfo ma yeku no because me adamfo na me ka metrima asama dey akere
no nkanya bone
na all record me
yeah
wa record no ida come the boss che say say ono adamfo na ka say me say nkwa hu papa so ya adamfo na okra go spirit na wo hia onyonko adamfo na e koba na oka ne trima asama ekirewa why is also record no and go find boss. That simply means some penny here.
As a wunya draw crab it video gu.
Eduanim and so man my day. Ewu. E be won star. And you be biara was I so that good spirit. Obet me approach you. Ohun esa enumunyam. A wunti. Obesoro de etiaw. True friendship. Obet me sorry for down by force. Embra won ka so pen down fu. Ohun star ohun
odachi.
So I'm very careful. I will remember
Adam for the enye
Adam any mama. Baba could be Oba mpae bo bi da ni bai na ye bo mpae. Them say or kasa about the marriage issue. Ana make say wadamfo bi age wuku. On jindi. And we says one friend no edisi. I say wadamfo na. Okay.
The matter say so you powerful pa.
Enyankopa do. Mema on 45 minutes. Ko hotel say. Dabe mu bia be ka kire me. Osi umati. Ode America ekoye. Mama, ese weni. Okoya. Ni kunu ene ni close friend, best friend. Edan paso sebi. Ni me gugu su gidi.
Jesus Christ.
Oni na ekoba. Omotu se di boom. Yesu na otan down for no. Why? Because the man kakra oni pen. No sha onu ni sa adni pinti obe kwiti na down for no. Down for na jeno. Aje ni kunu abribia so ma akoma mu ene wa adwene mu enye free.
Okay.
Se bibi eba wa kwam ana ko hia obi na o e papa. Na me hugo.
Ibe yi atrew. Okay.
Be kire se no men ko hanom.
Okay.
Kwa men ko ha.
Okay.
Bema isha bema. So na adwon fa say wamba akra se obeye ime masem. Chese na adwene mu no.
Tells on one kasa se na nyame wo ene ma papa de ma no.
Kra ene ho ene osoro egitum prakope.
Okay.
Timi ka de biasa aware fa ejum.
Okay.
Nemum enfi akomanim.
Akopanya me nshira wo.
Amen mama.
Mrs. Abna Payola papa bi ai aka mi superstar opu superstar. Erofo I say, oh, worry, ye back to a warrior, and I worry. I say, a warrior, and I say, social media warrior. Scandals and a dozen in semi charm, which ye are a dozen. The who say against here.
Said that me di can't say me no, and I'm 4M woman.
It's a nam for so now. Sas scandals, and some way in our worry, some if go any mass say, a bit here who couldn't wear bushing our mammy. It's also one, I was sad and I see, you know.
Manu me ho papa. Say the pa kasema.
Ka e pa.
Manu me ho ankasa.
Okay.
Because me say me fa obi say madam fo a. E say me ye obaba pani ti no. Me fa nipa ne say me nua pre ko pe. Ti me de me re e hye wo.
Okay.
But me no nam fo mo amen. Adam fa me fa ne say me pe na asem no. No so hwehwe me. Eni nguase. Na we nyina medina afidie kase isu. Aka chebi kunu abusia for say omo fa nche me.
Oh, hwe me ho awosen.
Na ya agro bia me kodi ye.
Papa,
ma we nyina
wa me wate. Na yempa me nua ba Payola. Na ni ku abusuafo, ene ono ankasa na abusuafo nyina acho. So omo fa nche no e agobonu a okodi ye. Sata na adwene mu ha kakra. Na ma ne ko ba sa papa, gida affiliation apacha oma oba Payola mami. So ni ku abusuafo.
Ye me nua ba Payola nikum ebusua bije no gopon edini mu
ho awasi
esre se boni bia ban aye no monfa enche no onipa biara mfonso ewo ne ho obi bere no enye boni da wadwene mu beka se boni we de me nkwaye o nanso kwan fa so be boni no tie unim
enti
ya boni bibiri amo nyankopon e de cheye
just say me ho akora se abaya tsese na wawari na edru baabi owura tibia bebre mu enam nipa bi nti na edru baabi no watimi akase me gina fidie so apami ku abusua focho na chese ensi papa ensi
we no
ensi na chese woye sebe akra na so ya abaya ya tete no e wo fie na adwene mu no waye na adwene se opebrabo ana so opeso ne be ma no e bobra husband yes ye nyina fa chew oyere wate yankopon onhira opa Payola ba TikTok meka sa ba TikTok e den experience e na wonya e wo hono mo pa na se den obi bia jawa e ye wo ya beka se sa de we de on fan che nipa ne da
me ba TikTok not be wadam fu bi wo TikTok a
okay
na opemasem na me so me penasem
okay
but me kan say we ase de enipa ti enye boyfriend ya pe
ma hwe masem ade bia me
ahwe Se da me di kan ka se me no adamfo mmoa me na maso na eden na me ba TikTok no ade a me de atu me hofo e wo TikTok a me ma bi ensi wo mabrabo se me fa adamfo na me gi na di
abeka won
na me ka masem
ati TikTok nko ahụ
me de sisi ade me fa ne se before me worry ye me yaman je sen ka me ntwamba social media
okay
en ka me hu anan ka bia ye say oh abna payola worry bet me worry no krana TikTok live is so a obi adana
normal so far as I would eye normal
obi akra me worry a afi be ka sa worry de ye ngware ni mienu de bet me ka sa obi afi na be worry a benim se mani age sa adana me worry na ye di me kunata mu social media
de na worry na aw eye wani je dan de no na ya so life aye di kunatem e wo sinti sane ma ni ya wo feel say
okay me ka sa enye sia wi ade bi wo no ma wo ye hu hwe a enye yie
ete ya na ha wukun ni ma se koso a wukun ya na ha no pa wo hu
oh okay nipa ye nipa
yeah
ana se owo busua ne nko ade se wono na ha na owo nua bi ana wo maami bi ana wo wadamfo bi a ebe ha no ana se oba akwa wo ne be mate na tem bia no umie di be ma na tem umie di na tem kwampo na abonten so for kwa na nye ize se odo ye be respected the bet obi ani kwa kwa so kasa etia no kwa no kasa etia no nti mia mafam but that mistake na make kasa me ye me sisi ameti we die adamfo se ye fa adamfo chinchina atwan madamfo nie many adamfo nante ye de menye ye because of TikTok and because of adamfo me fa ye di nyame na ye madom kama wa we no kranka agu amata be da me nim se mawu o se nka mete ase a se me pa de me fa o se madamfo a ti se me ni mi kunu ware ye me kunu so obi a me pena asem bia o pena asem
okay
adamfo mi nim so odo me no za adamfo na na e wo me pin but na me nim ana me kunu ye nipa bia eye din se obi be ka asem a kire no
obejedi
na obe
adamfo a amintwa no adamfo a satan adwuma ne ade na owo pin no obe ware ye nso wahu sa namfo na nso ebi so wo pin sa the same thing na chese wa brepa
me nkasa adamfo njeme
it's papa the last final question I'm you so say we are sure say eye say as young lady na wa worry nyame ama na worry nyame ahye ni munyam na tembia no wo de wasembe ba be to social media
nyame kan say emwa
okay
emwa so di enye mama
okay
so di worry sem fia sem ekomo wadamfo
ana say social media
aso tirim say social media ne mana wo hwe na o mo hwe na bibiri na enta good spirit
okay you be an be draw
wo picture crowd bit me picture am accompeting out e da kwa de tiaw
ye wo ye kra ye
o bia ba mi ke wo ye for just for fun we be taking work up seriously pa odo na mebi so na waka say enya me na bo wan ka wari ade egunu de ya nyase sinya me so ade do wo achew the same marriage because nipa de you trust nipa was my academy as nipa treatment self profit
enya bo frɛ me nye nipa bi eni o papa
me two me staff so you very careful no hwe no wi o and din sem o de kwa abonten so bi echi na adwen especially marriage assembly fam go abonten sa
papa sem ni bi o hon so echi wo so too much wo hi obi ni na come that moment no
e ba ne se ko situation bi mu na o hwe na so be ka was ma true bi na di how be brewa ni ameka ne se shedem mama shedem na bompaye
papa edem mo hye ne di ni ntwe nsan ntwa no edem mo hye to da wotimi hye dem bompaye na so still you need someone to talk to papa trust me
and here is the case oh no obi wa oka o very onya
emotional yeah
e kana some che na obi timi keep obi secret ana mama me ka say
but na social media na aba ne dia won pekura ne say say ase wa be kan wa asem ache obe ma problems esi ya nim guase tem bia na say o mo pe nim guase de agigini
sa
Papa, but a true baby so any pounds here, any power ya brabo.
Come on to me.
Okay.
Come on to me.
Okay.
The way to my catching on canon day.
And two. Okay.
One Mr. Danfo, walk with me. Should have him.
Okay.
That's to so I come as much about for the year. The one I won't per se from Kosovo. Nipa na also your best friend. I come as my children. Or also our best friend.
Be our commodifo.
Sani Panason or also the best friend.
Be our commodifo.
Sani Panason also the best friend.
Yeah, so and commodifo.
To go on, I now catch our best friend. Must be catching down. Miss Becca. Miss Becca. Ne echo.
Come on, say, Papa. Yanko Ponshra, what's it?
Amen.
Just say, one 7 also me push you, pa. But I mean, what did be to me?
Yeah.
I mean, sure. Abra, and some I can in or final ways to a chef one will be our water. Who we are, watch here, a bushia, who do social media handles, the telephone number to but the camp on a top and a 2 be our show for a answer.
Okay. Dear Mecca, a chat so again. Same be a friend of over social media now, a friend of over TikToker. Attempt the DM for so be any so. Obedi at own young for so be also. Mema come to call social media. My say later on, Quampono get me the Ninguas, I can't a
police station, some she any idea never be bread you come. I mean, oh God.
So we are by you and a friend that was soon, sir. And now for some and boy, because me, and for my beer far. But who did me go see it? So be far down for party. Mechanic think of a top boy be na because if I saw a so amount. Over far down for so be beer. Make her down for no compound. Oh, nya bibi papa be one hole. Onu na enyam faso wo eso no osan edi ubone ti se wo obi a wo social media na de wo dia ne se wo de obedi di atem obeko ntokwa che se
be kanipa nsema
enye because and wonu se ntokwa ifa mekukun to da bi kwa wona nkopa de we obi kwa be approach kwa airtime de metimi akache ma hwefo ne matiefo nyina ne se uti wi asenso ama uti munye fan because me se na uti munye fan a I can dia try me nyina because me adam for kwati me gas all the make we aduro so nyina eso na nye no kore all in the name of say ma warie no ebegu ana say adepa bi na ekita me no ebe free me nsa ti wuti wi asenso adi no kore ma wuti munye fa enwe obi hu adwenbone etwitwa wunua enanti de metimi akache ma hwefo ne matiefo enyina eno no
na emu wasa akache on TikTok na de ye
TikTok de
business near the baby connect to near my baby. Nemo, if any atom, if I had papa. Anna, I am social media now.
Over business. Because me TikTok here me buy anya me advert 1 or 2 which try. Edit try. And to kwa obi meche wuska wo. Meje antokwa ko. Wo ho no mo bis wo antokwa yi. Wo kontokwa na me wo ji wei fato wei. Bon
supporting your market.
But what is so now? Kunto kwate bia choka eye ningwas ena bia wunhu.
But that channel abna payola wo TikTok ayi boni din a wo followers bebre. Ono wana me na etwetwe nkomo yi. It waka bebre na actual osi adamfo. Ene niye me bi oye ya se ne na enka wanye. Eti de wode etu no ho flo so make sure so de bitu ohun efo na aboa. Share nipa be mi enu e. Telephone number, social media handles because e bia no bi person ofrɛ na obeye bibi mano any ade advert anase bibi e disika beba so what you say hen fa telephone number to Mr. Mo yo ba warefo e pa mo cho senya adwuma emfrɛ no e pa cho pa Mr. Mo
my number is 059 602 9594
acho bobiem
059 602 9594 Betia me kunu Mr. Obey
Mr. Obey
Betia be followers some mo hwe me wo TikTok, Instagram and a Facebook. Betia obi bia and a betia me ankasa me maame so ne me papa. Betia just betia madofo fo nyina Mama Doris, the voice fashion.
Hey, asemi no akofa be. Nyankopon hye Mama Doris. Ai, wo se de bia metenasia. Me se nchira kese enko the boy fashion jewelries. Mami Mami, adia pa ya mami se me kasa me ka me ntimi kan wi o. Me free Germany ba ye, me ba man fa hwe ya mami ne ma me de ba ye no. Enye, da bi obi abisa me na ya ase de na ade ba me se ne ma ne medru de da me se o me nya sika kora nto watch ba akokora mfa ma. Ah, nyame on shraw. Kese wo mami ho ya kono kasa nyame shraw wate. Abena payola so da wase. Nyame onko so shraw. The boy fashion jewelry. Mama Doris. Ye original. Nyame on shraw wate. Ye do. Into social media handles.
Okay.
Bubble.
My TikTok name no, Abena Payola. And on Instagram so Abena Payola. Okay. Facebook, baby Abena Payola na because anyone will be a edim.
Abena, I mean sure what is? Let me show buy. When you fed do. When you fed, na me be kids na they want to huja you. When you lady more. Then my no forget someone can tell you.
Oh baby.
I mean sure Papa. Germany ni be ka say Papa. Yanya te Ghana na yesi papa no ko Germany papa patron say my aka nyina final ways na fee no the patron telephone number sorry ni baby e wo social media handles but yi ne hia me pa final ways e futu no e ne hia me
nya me ka che tiefo ne o ma amoba so na yin ba ye ka TikTok any whatever so yeah adibia wo ye bia twi echirasem
okay
because sometimes between the phone to wa share bi
ye koso
omo ye you we be your mo and now we you so pesca kra but o china no e be affect e ma no
correct
ti eno de we ya dey very careful all the in pesca mo and so I dey be affect to that chin when you dey and life me ndwe ne when dey wo on oh fine o de you do whatever
and you be ehun na china be dey
ehun ti bo hwe na timi ha me say
stop it waste
na yeah I'm telling you how me but senya mi nshram sana ya wai bia waje biye mu no
ebusia ha na bread be ma kwan de dwumadi ni ye de asi Yakopon show se da ne da woje bre na onya bre na wo hwe na kai se kwase da nwumre bia 7 pepepepe de ahyehyɛ so repeat so ya wada ewia 3 pepepepe de ahyehyɛ so ai mama ne hunti mani ada hono me do foi na me kai wo se ai se natural drink papa dia eye che se bibia nim chemical bia nim nkonya side effect bia dia sugar level ne wo form unya obrudo ana de bosso che se unya biscuit ana de bosso dia e ba ko pe Angel Cola drink obi abruchefo ne Ghana che se bia agiatum non-alcoholic we are natural Angel Cola Angel peach, Angel mango, Angel orange. Be a jatum. School for you na jatum. Baby, I will be a pomodia na kwaji wo numbers na echegu e wo screen anymore. Number is 0244832286 0244832286. Pomodia na frewo na kwaji wo di so mi ka wate. E na se bi sign enkomasi J multimedia e buy equipment dia. You traffic 4K, 8K, 10K. Hey, ese me ayatia cheze asemde o ko bi special e kumasi fui e bibia wo bia production bia opese wo yibia no an si J multi wona e wo screen no ase no e ba kra so dia La Paz Ashanti Home Touch in Chenhua and as J Multimedia e wo numbers na 0545059319 0545059319 Pomodiana from it for Atari Shemi a ladies in collection say baby bia wo bia so pese wo ye rapper si just say boutique entare papa wo a prima for ma nyina agiatum and celebrities just say a titru nyina agiatum or dance man Pomodiana friend he wo de kire no occasion no baby a opese de ko program opese de ko how opese wo look ina opeye e de ama wo numbers na etwegu e wo screen anim no mitiri hwin a cute cat parlor ene Ghana ye dindindin a ye hyehye me pacho me srew sani ya Ghana ye hyehye a Angel Cola ba mayen na yetimi to be ton na ye nya jese sika to ye ho ye nya adwuma ye no the same thing is cute cat sika ho aye den koto nwi ohorosapo bia bomodin a udura be ka junction a cute cat ho a bomodin ana kokoje odi e wate ni sika ho aye den afi uwia the boy ye mama fanto ho ai Auntie Doris original mama the boy fashion jewelries. You don't foresee baby a will be no. Wo tuton a original and fake. Udra Accra. Rolling Circle the chihonomwa. The boy fashion jewelries. Kona ko tuton wate to do our pebia. Minti me say ye dibe kuswa ma say who na no aba be ye. Ojapade ana say ujetri so hu. Omodi ana kwaje odi. Afi say ba natural food dia ye pardon foods. Pardon foods. Pardon foods ewo kwashima junction ne so won ma me dofo baby a wo bia no ne namafo aya ba ye mpaduane no me na me dikan na yas it is bia me pardon foods nduane bi sheshe fridge ma we mi ko ya me heat bia na me ko no ba na ye wedding engagement party bia ana occasion bia wo pro bia ye aduane ama wadidi a ye pardon foods but modern our numbers na etwagu ewo screen ni mu no me dofo afi se ba na edem furniture dia ye baby wa kope na me na yas magia atum a kind of antique furniture. I saw the Udru Honoma Bobidin. Baby, a cobia, delivery fee. No. Hey, Mr. Cano, a free, your news car, your news car. When one is over Bomidin, kind of antique or La Paz, a brand sport building name, and I said La Paz overhead Nasronwa, a baby me, or Modiana Cocojodi, what wardrobe in Kunya, say be a woman, Yankopon, unshaw, papa, passa, or jepre, na unya brain, or shemi, Jumedia yedi, so I see a boy, Juma Hunteru, a Jima, why numbers and a HU, a will screen any mono, number 0244506706, 0244506706. Medofo. Jumedi, Bomodians of Binabre, I was she, was yet any ribia, 7 sharp. I was a breno, Yawada, a rebia, 3 pepe. Uncle Punchu bibia. Ya midi Jumedi, which I'm eating a original Nayas Pacope. I'm so happy, I can't 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 I'm so happy, I can't
This program is proudly sponsored by
CJ Mountain Media,
Angel Cola,
King of Antique,
Miss Aquaba.